I believe that reading the books are better than watching the movies based on the books. One example is the Percy Jackson books. Originally, my opinion was based on a personal bias. I originally watched the Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief movie, and I thought the movie was amazing and one of the best movies I have ever seen. After I watched the movie, I found out there was a book to it. And so I decided I need to read this book as soon as I can because the movie was so amazing. After I read the book, I decided to compare the book to the movie. Well, rewatch the movie after I read the book. And now, I am appalled by the movie. It is completely different. They left out all the major details and all the stuff that makes Percy Jackson so amazing. One, Percy Jackson, oh my gosh, the main character doesn't even fight the right villain in the movie. The three, there's two sidekicks of his. Percy Jackson, Annabeth Chase, and Grover. They're 12 in the book. In the movie, they're 16. That is not okay. That's a 4-year age gap. That just makes what they did even more amazing in the book because they were at such a young age. And then Annabeth, the love interest of the main character, she is a brunette in the movie. But no, in the book, she is blonde. All children of Athena are blonde. In the movie, she's a brunette. And the worst thing about it, in the second movie, Percy Jackson and the Sea of Monsters, they make her a blonde, but they make her dumb. They make her a dumb blonde. That is not okay. They're just going with stereotypes now, but they're doing the wrong stereotypes. They're doing society stereotypes and not the actual Greek mythology stereotypes. Oh my gosh. And that's just one example of how books are better than their movies. A book I'm reading right now is A Wrinkle in Time. I went and saw the Wrinkle in Time movie with a friend, and him and his mom told me there's a book to it, so I just started reading it. And automatically, there's already a big difference. The main family of the movie, of the whole series, of the book, the movie, all that, there's 2 extra kids in the family that they completely leave out in the book. There's 2 extra kids that are twins. They leave that out. And another example is the Divergent series. The second book in the series, Insurgent, the movie was almost completely different from the book. Pretty much the only thing they got right is the names of the characters. Almost the entire plot was different in the book. The movie, they leave out so many major details of all the stories. And these are just some examples of how the books are better than their movies. And based on how I believe and how I've spoken, there are several people that agree with my claim. I know there are some people out there that might disagree with this, but I have yet to meet them. So until I do, I will support it, my claim, and why I think books are better than their movies.